You know how to tell when your in-house testing methods lab is truly advancing the science of elite health? It's when you have over a dozen of the testing methods you've created presented at national scientific conferences and featured in leading peer-reviewed journals. Our innovative team of PhDs has also been asked to participate in the creation of testing method validations for the prestigious Association of Official Analytical Chemists, and another leading third-party lab has adopted our testing method for identifying unwanted ginkgolic acid in ginkgo. That's why so many people around the world trust Synergy, as we literally set the standards for nutritional supplement quality testing. Your health is our priority. By creating our own methods for verifying the quality of every ingredient and every formula and testing every finished product, Synergy can consistently provide pure and potent natural products that deliver proven, predictable, and repeatable results. Products that allow you to unlock your potential and achieve elite health.